Michelle.
I know, I can't believe it's May 2nd already. We are talking about really just rolling right towards summer already. And we've got those gusts out there right now that have been in the 20-30 mile an hour range. We're going to speed that up again tomorrow for you, bringing you back into the 30 mile an hour range, even 45 to near 50 in spots around the mountains, but just below, we think, advisory criteria for you tomorrow. We're out of the wind advisories for now. Tomorrow afternoon, we may see a little uptick as we're looking at that upper low spin out of our way and moving off to the north and east. So eventually those winds are dying down, but it may take until late tomorrow night. So temperatures out there at 52 degrees in Greensboro, 53 in Burlington. And with the setting sun, we have seen a little bit of let up in the winds for us right now. That's the good news. But you see that spin. It's just that upper low continuing to bring in those spokes of moisture and a little bit of lift. And today we had a few sprinkles out there, not a lot on the ground. Rainfall totals are going to be trace, if much at all, because we do have some drying happening too as we climb into the mid-level. So watching a little bit of that moisture spin around, and our winds will be noticeably higher as we get you through later in the day. So seeing those climb all the way up to about 18 miles an hour for steady winds and about 20 miles an hour for folks out in Sparta. So the winds in the mountains are going to still be higher. We've got gusts there 35 miles an hour and about 25 to 30 in the Triad and foothills. Wind gusts have dropped down tonight from the 25 mile an hour range to now 10 or less. And we've got some sustained winds that have also dropped to the calm level up in Walnut Creek and also for folks, or Walnut Cove, I should say, and also as we go up into Madison. Seeing those scattered showers roll in from the north and west, this is going to be what we have for you tomorrow too. Maybe a few of those heavy clouds. I doubt we're going to get a lot of sprinkles east of the mountains, and you see that dry air starting to build right now. Beautiful to see that. And we do have sunshine on the back edge of this. As we go to Thursday especially, you're going to notice more sunshine. Temperatures in the 60s. Those quick passing showers earlier this evening did not amount to much. We don't have much to show for it on the ground. Our temperatures down into the 50s after a day of upper 60s to low 70s. And we do not take you back into that direction. Unfortunately, it's going to be a little bit cooler. So ushering in this newer air mass for you later tomorrow as a ridge builds. 38 degrees tomorrow morning, may feel more like the 20s at times as the winds will stay up in the mountains and along the ridges too. Gusts to 30 miles an hour starting to get going by middle of the morning. 54 degrees for late afternoon, mix of sun and clouds. Good sunshine though as we clear you out just before sunset tomorrow night. 40 degrees in the foothills, also clearing the later we go with 62 degrees for afternoon highs. Now, if we have a westerly component to the wind for a little longer as the sun is starting to come out even in full force, we could see some warmer conditions, but right now it looks like 64 degrees is about where we expect to land for folks in the Triad. Warming from a chilly 44 degrees. So extra layers in the morning. I still recommend the windbreakers. I think it'll keep you a little bit warmer throughout the day. You've got the temperatures out there with 50s heading into Friday night and Saturday that are comfortable. So we're not really cooling down. We just kind of hold there. And on Saturday afternoon, we may have trouble warming, especially if we just get stuck in that easterly flow. More of that cool Carolina wedge keeps you cloudy, sporadic showers, and it's going to be light, it looks like right now, on the track of that next low that comes in from the south and west. We'll be watching for that lingering likely through Sunday, so rain chances will be with us through most of the weekend, although it doesn't look like it's a complete washout, just more of nuisance rain. So I think we'll still be able to get a lot in for the weekend. You're looking at temperatures out there in the 50s heading into your Saturday, also in the mountains. So a little cooler for us as we talk about the next system coming our way. Not that it's a bad thing to have some showers here and there. You've got temperatures though also beginning to warm Monday and Tuesday, 77 to 79. Should feel great.